Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine in this critical situation like COVID-19. Here is Neha Jadhav Gajera in front of you. And the motto is to teach you is to live a life forever. And with this motto, I'm here to teach you something about English language. Before that, I want to introduce myself. Who am I? Yeah, accurative, emphatic, enchanting, elated, decent, delighted, dynamic, happy, homatic, and high flyer. Neha Jadhav here, Urf Neha Gajera here. I want to introduce you about my channel. You can get many videos, more and more videos about English in this You, Me, and English. It's all about you, me, and English. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. If you like my videos, please like, do share, and subscribe. So today in this session we are going to learn something about ABC family. So guys, ready? Okay, then let's learn. So today we are going to learn about ABC family, as we have a family and family members too, right? जैसे कि मेरी फैमिली में we have 4 members, me, my husband, and my mother-in-law and father-in-law. So like family have a lot of members. In English family, the same. We have ABC family in English, and in this family we have A, B, C, D, blah 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 to Z, 26 letter. How many letter we have? 26. We know already, right? So in this family we have 26 letter. But you know guys, we can divide this 26 members into 2 categories. Don't you know which 2 categories are there? Just suggest. Anyone? Yeah, as I don't, no one is here. So I will tell you what 2 categories are there. Okay, so as we know, there are 2 categories. In that ABC family we have 2 categories. First one is consonant and second is vowel. We already know, right? Now here is consonant and next is vowel. Categories. We divided 26 letter into 2 categories. First one is consonant and vowel. Total कितने थे? 26. उसमें से हम 21 consonant को दे देते हैं members and vowels को बेचारे को कम मिलते हैं, means only 5 goes to vowel and 26 goes to consonant. ऐसा क्यों मैम? I don't know actually. I'm not the sister of this, so that. Here consonant, so what are the consonant? We already know, except 5 vowels, all other are consonant. But for that we must know what are actually vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. We already know, right? ये 5 vowel है और इसको छोड़ के बाकी की सारे ABC family के जो members होते हैं वो consonant है. But don't you know कि मैं ये क्यों पढ़ा रही हूँ? This is so easy and we know already. Why I'm giving you this so-called knowledge at all? But there is a reason behind it. And the reason is, I will show you. Just wait. Sometimes I ask the question to the student that how many letters we have? Ma'am, I know 26. Ma'am, I know. And very next when I ask them, do you know anything about phonemes? Phoneme means sound. How many sound do we have? All the students always give one answer. What is that? Okay, 26. No, we don't have 26 sound. We don't have 26 sound, guys. We have 44 sound. How many sound we have? 44. We have means English have, because you, me, and English means we. 44 sound we have, and in English language this 44 sound कैसे होते हैं? 26 letter है तो 44 sound कैसे मैम? तो don't worry, I will reveal it very soon. Just wait. बंद कर दो. So in ABC family we divided into 2 categories. This both are consonant and vowel. Okay, but 44 साउंड किसी को, मतलब रेयरली किसी को पता होता है कि 44 साउंड है कैसे. तो हियर वी हैव 44 साउंड लाइक दिस. 18 कॉन्सोनेंट रहेंगे, 5 शॉर्ट वावल रहेंगे, 5 लॉन्ग वावल्स रहेंगे, 7 कॉन्सोनेंट डाइग्राफ रहेंगे, 2 अदर वावल रहेंगे, कॉन्सोनेंट डिफ्थोंग्स रहेंगे and 5 R control vowel रहेंगे. Means here 18 5 5 7 2 2 5 करेगी तो 44 टोटल साउंड हो जाएगी. मीन्स फोनिम. तो ABCD have this phoneme, but वो कैसे in all these categories have the details ideas too, and I will give you that all the knowledge in next session. As I tell you, here we have 44 sound in English family. In 44 sound, I divided all those sounds into categories like we have total 18 consonant, 5 short and 5 long vowels, 7 digraph, consonant digraph, 2 other vowel, 2 diphthongs, 5 R control vowels. So here 44 total sound we have. And to know this better and to know this in detail, I will tell you in my next session. So please be with me, और like, share and subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. Thank you.